Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything they said.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. If you already haven't subscribed, make sure you go there, subscribe wherever the button may be. Find it, press it, click it, smash it, hit the like button. So let's get the video going. What I'm going to be doing today is baking. Is it called baking? Yeah, I think so. Basically, I'm going to be making you guys some baklava. Now, there's two types. There's one which is like an Arabic type, and there's one like a Turkish style. Arabic style is more like a dry baklava, but Turkish one is more juicy and it's got more syrup at the base. Like, once the video is done, and it's made, and you'll see it once I pick it up and you see all the juice in the base, it's gonna be nice. So without further ado, let's get it started, because I've got a lot going on. This is gonna take some time, so you gotta be patient. You gotta watch the whole video to get to the end to see what it is. Yeah, let's get going. I've got my baking tray. I've got some melted butter. What I need to do is just stir it a little bit, because I put some oil in there as well. Okay. What I need to do is basically butter inside this. I'm not going to take, I'll tell you what, let me do it this way, it'll be easier and a lot quicker. Just put some in there. Now use my brush to get it all oily. Okay. That's that. That's done. Now, what I'm going to do, you need one of these, a pizza cutter. Now, you need to cut it. So, this is the actual bread, or whatever you call it, okay, pastry. This is the thing that actually makes the baklava. So what I'm going to do is make 5 slices of this. If I can get it to open. Okay, there we go. So it's really thin, it's like paper thin, guys. You need to be gentle with it. I'm going to put it in here. That's all. It's a bit... It's my first time, guys. Don't judge me. Right. I'm going to wet it. There you go. You've got to do it quickly. You ain't got a lot of time. This is the last one. And then I've got some grinded nuts. Which I'm going to show you here. Okay, so now pistachio, almonds and some next type of nuts mixed with cinnamon. Going to cover it up. You kind of got to do it quickly, because this pastry dries up apparently quick. But this time, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut it into pieces. Put my hand there. My hands are clean, guys, don't worry. It's not coming out straight, but anyway, it's not professional. Who cares? As long as it tastes good, right? Yeah, it's got a bit sideways. That's thicker than that one. I don't care. It's my first time, right? Don't judge me. Right, now what I'm going to do is, let me just get this out of the way. I'm going to have to pour all of this in there. You ready? Okay, once that's out, you're going to use the brush to spread it out, make it all nice and buttery and oily. That's it for now. I'm going to put this in the oven at 200 degrees for about, I think, half an hour to 40 minutes. And I'll see you soon. Right guys, so what I'm going to be doing now is making the syrup. The syrup that goes on the actual baklava. What you need is 2 full cups of sugar. Okay. Let me bring this closer so I don't make any mess. Yeah, that's the second cup. And what I'm going to do is add 1 cup of water. That goes in, like so. Now, you add some saffron as well to give it some taste. Okay. That's the golden powder. Let me get that out of the way. And what you want to do is you want to stir this for about 7 minutes so it gets all nice and syrupy. Turn it off. It's on obviously right now. It's going to cook for about 7 minutes so the sugar melts, it becomes like a syrupy type. After 7 minutes you turn it off, you let it cool down, and then once the baklava is ready, it comes out of the oven after about 35 minutes or so. And then I'll show you what we're going to do next. This is what it looks like after about 5 minutes of boiling. I'm going to be turning this off in about maybe 30 seconds or so. This is what you want it to be: syrupy, sugar, water, saffron. It's been boiling for about 5 minutes or 6 or 7 minutes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to leave this one to cool down. And what you want to do when the baklava is ready, you want either this to be cold, the baklava to be hot, or the other way around. If it's both hot together and you pour this on there, the two heats together will make the baklava soggy and it's not going to be good. So I'm going to let this one cool off. By the time that gets ready, that'll be hot, and I'm going to pour this on top. This is it in the oven, baking. It is ready to be taken out of the oven. So you're ready. Look at that, guys. Look at that. You ready? And now what I'm going to be doing is pouring this syrup on top. Listen to that. Listen to that sizzling noise. It sounds beautiful, but guess what, guys? It's going to taste even more beautiful. So, yeah. There we go. You got to make sure you get the syrup on all the corners and in the edges and whatever, so it becomes nice and juicy. You don't want any dry parts. Okay. In terms of cooking, never be stingy. Go full capacity. Right. Now I'm just going to pour this on top. Oh, my hand is burning. Okay, so this is how we're going to do it. corners. That is beautiful, guys. Right. That's that. What I'm going to do is leave it to cool down for about 20 minutes or so. Right, guys, just to give us some decoration or whatever, well, not decoration, just last touches. Some grinded pistachio. I know I'm doing it with my hands are clean. So yeah, there you go. Just to make it look good, that's all it is really. Otherwise, yeah, there you go. Voila, that's it. So guys, now that it's cooled down, what you want to do is just take one of these and just gently do that. Make sure it's cut, because that pizza thing that I took didn't maybe cut all that, especially in the corners here. It doesn't cut it, so you just have to do it yourself. Anyway, so what I've got my plate, and off we go. You see the syrupy, guys? There you are. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me just give you a 360 angle, show you what it's like. Guys, this is what I mean when I say juicy. It's not dry. This is how I like it. This is how it doesn't get stuck in your throat and you end up choking on it. You can have this by itself and you're going to be fine. So enjoy, guys. See you later.
Well, you really think it's more lyrical, cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come